Hi, I'm Donna Wolf from naztazia.com.
I'll show how to join 2 yarn strands of chenille, plush, and velvet blanket yarn using an invisible knot. It's a good strong connection that works nicely in place of a traditional knot for these types of yarns. This technique comes from the cable splicing world, where the outside material is removed and the wires inside are connected together. So I'll show how this applies to that fluffy type of yarn. Most thick blanket type of yarn consists of fibers that are woven within a core of thread. When these fluffy fibers are removed, either by pulling them out by hand or with the help of some tweezers, the inside thread core is revealed, much like the wires inside a cable. So I repeat this process with my other yarn, which could be the same color if 2 skeins are needed to be joined to make a larger blanket, or could be a different color when color changes are needed. Now I'm taking the inner core threads and tying and knotting them together. Any type of secure knot can be used at this point, such as our magic knots like the fisherman's knot, the square knot, the weaver's knot, and the binder's knot. At this point, those ends can either be woven into the center core with a sewing needle, or they can just be crocheted and knitted over, or they can be trimmed as long as the knot is secure. And I happen to like flexible fabric glue to give just an extra hold to that knot. And that's it. That's the technique I use for joining 2 strands of fluffy chenille, plush, and velvet blanket yarn together.